Hi data points. Today in this session we are discuss about an cloth shop data analysis and how he take the data driven decision for a growth. Our business problem. The problem is identify the customer preference, optimize the sale, improve the customer retention, enhancing inventory management, analyzing the sale performance. Let's first understand our customer. The 68% sale coming from the mail and the 77% sale come from the cloth and accessories. Cloth contain 44% and accessories contain 33% of the sale. Let's see our different parameter. Here we see that in cloth session the male is dominated. See, accessories sales are consist across all the seasons. Footwear sales are high during the summer season. If we take an gender comparison, then male customers are the largest contributor for our sale. Let's see the age spending per gender. If we are spending on Google Ads, then this chart will very much helpful to us, because above the 3000 line increase the ad spend for the male and below the 3000 line decrease the ad spend. Means this is the 3000 line, above the 3000 line increase the ad spend and below the 3000 line decrease the ad spend for the male. And for the email same, for 1500 line increase the ad spend on Google and decrease the ad spend for below the 1500 line. If we are doing offline marketing, then below the 3000 line means especially this age gives those are the higher spender, give them a royal subscription card. For the medium spender, give them a promo and discount, and below the line understand the problem and do the survey. Color per sizes. The darker color shows that store maximum amount of product in inventory, and the light color show that store or remove the color from the inventory. Let's see an example. We take at the S. In S size, we store the maroon color most and remove or store less color in white and violet. Size per category. Size per category shows the M size is the highest sale volume for all the category. You can see from the here. M size gives us the highest sale volume. Male are dominated in sale. XL is the negligible outwear for the both the category. You can see that XL are the negligible. For the inventory management, we store like this: M, L, S, XL. For the inventory management, store like in this preference so that we maximize our profit and minimize our storage capacity. Cloth category and accessories category are the contain 77% of our portion, so that we further analyze through the season and per color parameters. Let's take an example. For an summer, store silver color in cloth category more and brown, gold, indigo in less amount of product in cloth category. If you see, and the same as for accessories category, store more amount of product in blue and gray color and less amount of black and white color. Frequency per shipping parameter. Frequency of purchases increase due to the free shipping. If we can see that due to the free shipping, the frequency of purchases is increasing. Frequency of purchases. The most of our customers are visit our store quarterly. Recommendation for identifying the customer, do the survey and go through the feedback. For improving customer retention, provide the customer service, optimize the sale promotion, incentivize with royal subscription card and make a point based subscription card. Enhancing inventory management, change the stock according to the season, age and size. This is all about the cloth shop data analysis, and this recommendation is very useful for taking a good decision. You can contact me in this Gmail address, and I am also available in LinkedIn. Even if you are not collected any data until now, I will help you to collect the data and analyze better for understanding your customer, product and the marketing. This is all about the cloth data analysis. Thank you.